So very often people in the Howzit community ask us how to bring money over from South Africa to Canada, and it's actually not that difficult. The first R1,000,000 that one can move over to Canada is normally part of your travel allowance, and it's important that if you make use of that R1,000,000 that you don't spend anything more than the million. So just make sure that if you move the million, that you don't use your credit card on a Starbucks coffee or whatever. So you're limited to R1,000,000. The second one is if you want to take money more than $1 million, we need to apply from South African Revenue Services, SARS, for that additional 10 million for the year. So on a yearly basis, you can bring over another 10 million to Canada. Practically, how we do that, that's great because with Kingsmere, we've got an office in South Africa, and with our representative there, we can open a Mercantile Bank account for our clients, which takes 24 hours to open from here. We do all the FICA or Know Your Client documentation from here. It goes through. Once it's open, you then deposit the money from your FNB or Standard Bank account into your Mercantile account. We then give you the number for the guy to phone in South Africa and to confirm the exchange rate that you're happy to exchange the rand for dollars. And so that is just a great opportunity, as opposed to when you go to a big bank in South Africa, you would do the transfer first, and then afterwards you see what rate they were able to give you. This way you confirm a rate with Grant, and then the money is shipped over. In terms of costing, it's less than what you would pay at the bank. It's normally the difference between the bid offer spread. A portion of that comes to the company that does the exchange for you. And then on the Canadian side, the banks normally charge, I've seen anything between $15 or $20 per transaction that they charge to clear the currency. And so actually it's pretty easy. We can also help clients to get the tax clearance from the Reserve Bank if they want to move the portion more than $1 million. And we can also apply for financial immigration. That's also necessary for clients in the Howzit community. So hopefully that helps, and we'd love to hear from you.